Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Coinbase on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, then it'll appear in a status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your mobile network status. The other thing that you must ensure is that your Android phone is running at least Android 8.0 or higher. For that, head over to About Phone on your device and then hit Software Information. This phone's Android version is Android 16, so we're good to go. What you can do next is head over to the Play Store on your device by heading over to the App Drawer search bar, search for Play Store and open Play Store. In the search bar of Play Store, simply look for Coinbase and then hit Install right next to Coinbase. You must be logged into your Google account to download any apps from the Google Play Store. If not, then you'll be prompted to log into your Google account, in which you must enter your credentials and download the app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.